Lolo. Itong kahoy na ito is matagal na, pero payat pa rin. They said, eat, grandma, eat.
Yeah, because you sit there and you do nothing.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Naka-open pala tong window dito. I-close natin yan kasi uulan daw. But anyway guys, good morning. Pasensya na sa mukha. Ganun pa rin yung mukha ko guys. Nothing change. Everything is the same. What is that? Tingnan niyo. What is that? 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 Oh, she wants to give it to me. She wants to give you. What a good girl. What a good girl, Mitika. Oh, the jealous one is here. Doon na naman siya nakahiga. Tulog pa din si BIYENAN. Hindi na ako makapag-vlog. May sounds. Palaka. May palaka. Umiiyak. Kumagulol. Anyway, kakain lang ako ng breakfast, guys. Ay, kakainin ko muna ito palang mga aso ko. Hindi pala kumain. Gutom. Come here. Hungry? Come. Hungry? You guys are hungry? I forgot. Nakalimutan kong pakainin ng aso. Pinakain ko na yung pusa. Tudududut. Hello? Hello? How are you? Ang ganda ng araw ngayon, guys. Look. Good morning, guys. Ang ganda ng araw, di ba? Maaraw. Bukas uulan daw. Doon si Tamimoy ay. The sun is nice. Ito yung feed feeder ni Tami. Look, lahat ng pagkain nandito sa baba. Walang tao, mga kapitbahay, guys. Trabaho sila. Maririnig mo kasi sila every morning, mga like 6 o'clock. Aalis yung mga kapitbahay. 6. Marinig mo yung sasakyan nila. Tugur! Doon meron pang isang sasakyan doon. Dito merong wala na. Psst. Psst. Misty. Rocky. Roxy, stop snipping. Uy. Let your sister go her business. She have a business to do. Oh, wala nang dahon yung ano, guys. Kahoy doon. Saya dito, bagong kat. Lolo. Gustong makipaglaro ni Miss Roxy, si Misty ayaw. Ayaw ni Misty. Ayaw talaga ni Misty, guys. Itong kahoy na to, guys, mga November ata. November. Yeah, November. Maano na to. Roxy, leave your sister alone. Leave your sister alone. Gusto niyang mag-ano. Naghanap na niyang spot. Ang tagal kasi mag-ano. Leave your sister alone, ha? Roxy cannot leave Misty alone. She's trying to looking for a spot. Ang tagal makahanap ng lugar na. Tignan niyo yung kahoy doon. Change color na talaga doon. Look. Diba?
Maybe you squeak it a couple times, you get the other one come down. Fine. Go get it, miss. Go get it. Go on, Miss CPC. Go get it. Go on. Get the ducky. Go get the ducky. Go. No.
Hey, don't bring it to the yard, huh?
Of course you will. Yep. Yep. Look. Misty's taking it back inside. Come on.
Okay, let's go inside. Andun si Biyenan dyan. Naghuhugas katatapos ko lang din lilinisin. So, naghintay lang ako dito hanggang matapos siya. And then ito, nilulutuan niya. And hinintay ko lang si Biyenan and then punta na ako sa taas. Continue editing. Nag-edit ako sa taas and then I stop kasi ginising ko si Biyenan ano na kasi ginising ko siya 10 o'clock. I think almost 10 o'clock I woke her up, right? Yeah. Yeah, kasi kailangan she have dialysis today. So, hindi ko na, siya na yung nagluluto kasi hindi ko na feel magluto. Andito naman siya na yun. Tammy's omelette, guys. Look at
Combination of grilled chicken, cream spinach, and fried eggplant.
Did you hear that, guys? Fried eggplant, spinach, and egg, and chicken.
Oh, because it's like liquid everywhere. I got to harden a little bit.
Yeah, you have to wait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that was the perfect one.
This is really the perfect chunk.
Too late. That was that's what it's like that for.
Pshing, pshing, pshing. Huh?
What is that for?
Who's on the couch?
Nothing. It's a blanket and the pillows.
Oh, it looks so much like a woman laying there.
No.
The hand up.
That's-
I thought it was you.
No. So guys, my mother-in-law thought I was in the couch. It's just a lot of pillows in there.
Oh.
I'm talking to them.
Oh,
How do you like your breakfast?
that's nice. Oh, my baby.
You don't eat much.
I can't eat that much. He gave me too much.
Yung kapitbahay namin, ang dami ng dahon. Pero pag nasa ano ka, ang ganda ng kahoy. Ang ganda talaga nasa paligid Sana may kapatid ako dito or pamangkin or kapamilya, kahit sino pa man yan, kaibigan na may mga bata din ba, lalaro-laro dito with the dog, ganun. Ang sarap ng feeling na ganun. Kasi ang laki kasi ng yard, lalot dito sa loob talaga ng fence. Sarap laro-laroan dito, magdagandagan. Dagandagan talaga. Dagandagan ba? Like Roxy. Tingnan yung face ni Roxy. Tingnan yung face niya. It's nice to be out here, look. Ang ganda ng kahoy namin, guys. At saka yan, green maple pa ito. Pag hindi nyo alam, ito yung kahoy. Sino ba yun? Si Kim Atienza. Itong kahoy na ito is matagal na, pero payat pa rin. Yung si Kim Atienza ba, yung sa ABCBN yung mga trivia. Itong kahoy na to is 200 years ago, pero hindi pa rin lumaki, mapayat, katulad ng may-ari. Putot at mataba yung tiyan. Sa Pilipinas pa to, kinatkat ko na ito, pinuntahan ko na to sa taas and then doon magtago. Itong kahoy dito, ito yung isa din. Itong isa is din siya, mas maraming pula-pula. Itong mga dahon nito, itong dahon dito mahulog na. Mag-video tayo dito, slow mo with the slow mo ng dahon ba, kasi colorful kasi yung dahon, di ba? Tignan nyo, look, colorful. Kapag mahuhulog na siya lahat, ito yung color dito sa ground namin. Ang ganda, di ba? May pagka pink, brown, orange mix color ito. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm smiling guys. Smile guys. Smile. Tignan nyo to. Look. What are you doing? Look, Han. Guys, she's not eating her breakfast, guys. Tell her to eat. They said, eat, grandma, eat.
They're making me eat. Making me fat.
No, because you don't eat none. Look, she doesn't eat the thing. She eats some. We're gonna drop her today to dialysis. The few days you were very tired, right?
Yeah.
You just keep sleeping. She just keeps sleeping. She's so tired. Look at you. Do you see yourself? Can see clear now?
I'll see clear now.
That's a song. I can see clearly now the rain.
Oh, that's
is gone.
right.
That's a song. You know that song?
Mm-hmm.
That's the only lyrics I know. I don't know the rest.
Really? Yeah. You know, sometimes you learn a little bit of
Because they have it in advertised on TV. We keep hearing it.
Oh,
Yeah, I heard it on TV all the time. That's only it.
that's the only piece you
Yeah.
learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that happens.
So we're going to dialysis today.
Oh, we're going to dialysis today?
Yeah. I know you don't like it, but
No.
we're gonna go visit your friend.
Yeah, because you sit there and you do nothing.
Yeah, but they clean your blood. That's the only thing you need.
In dialysis, it's
Yeah.
well,
Yeah. So something about getting the water from your body.
mm,
I think that's what it is. They took the water out. I don't know.
if it does any good.
It's been 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
You've been doing this for 7 years.
Yeah.
Very long time.
It's been a while. Look at that tail going.
Yeah, she's waiting for Tommy. Okay guys, relax lang kami dito. Tapos na din akong nag-edit. I tell them that I'm done working. Edit video. And then I'm just sitting here. Tommy's outside talking to his sister. Tommy's talking to Andrea.
Oh, he's talking to Andrew.
Yeah. Andrea will pick you up later.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's 2 eggs. It wasn't so much. 2 eggs, a little bit of cream spinach, a little bit of fried eggplant, so very soft stuff, and just a very little bit of grilled chicken that I grilled. So really not that much. You gotta try and eat more. I'll heat it up again for you.